Good morning, guys! So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kahapon na nag-arrive kami sa airport kasi super lutang na lutang talaga ako, guys. And wala na. Natulog na lang ako. So, nandito kami sa room. I don't know kung kailangan ko pa bang mag-room tour. Parang super kalat na ng room. So, nandito yung pinsan ko, si Heggy. So, kami dito dalawa. Actually, yung aircon, hindi na talaga siya umandar. But yeah, this hotel is used to be Remington before. So, dito pa rin kami nagstay, no? So, twice na. But they refreshed this one. So, this is Holiday Inn Suites and Express. Ngayon. So, pretty much okay pa ya. So, they have a standing shower with frosted glass. That's the sink. Of course, the toilet plus the bidet. They have hair dryer. They have water. This is like a hand soap, hand soap. They have this body wash and shampoo, but I don't use that. So when you enter, on your left, there's a huge mirror, which is always good. And there's 2 single beds. And this hotel has 2 free breakfast buffets, so it's good. Has TV, it's Samsung flat screen TV. It comes with this, so there's coffee, there's teas, of course the water heater, cups. They have the safe, and they also have the mini fridge, but there's nothing in it. This is your workspace, and we are facing, I don't know what street is this, but I think it's the main street here in Resorts World. So, yeah, plus there's a little couch. So Domino's. My cousin ordered. But yeah, that's just my very quick room tour. Unfortunately, it's not that clean anymore. Okay? We'll go to the other room.
Let me just...
The lafang. May mga last pa. Good morning, guys. It's day 1 here in Philippines. So, today po yung flight namin going to Cagayan de Oro po. So, flight namin mga 1 o'clock pa ng hapon. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa baba para mag-breakfast. Dito pala kami nagstay sa Holiday Inn Suites. Kung napanood niyo po yung vlog ko kahapon. Tsaka, parang pupunta kami sa Resorts World na parang mall. Or hindi talaga siya mall. Just to go around. And then, maya-maya, mag-ano na kami, papuntang Naiya 2 for Cagayan de Oro. So, yeah. Hopefully, mabilis lang yung flight. Guys, so, nasa Resorts World kami. Pupunta kami there sa like yung mall nila. Okay, so, we have 1 hour to spend. Okay? So 1 hour to spend, and then we'll go to the airport. Okay. Boarding now, the CEO. Oh no, I'll try to upgrade the property.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Philippine Airlines. We care about your safety. Please stow your baggage in the overhead bins or under the seats in front of you. This is a non-smoking flight.
Hello everyone.
Smoking, including use
Hi
of
guys,
electronic
we're heading
cigarettes,
out
is
to
not allowed.
CDO. It was quick so when we went
Mabuhay!
to
Malugod namin kayong tinatanggap dito sa Philippine Airlines.
check-in counter, it
Ang
was
inyong
quick.
kaligtasan ay mahalaga sa
Not really
amin.
quick because I have to change
Maaari
everything.
lamang na ilagay ang inyong bagahe sa overhead bins
Yeah,
sa ilalim
I
ng
really
upuan
haven't
sa
filmed
inyong harapan.
anything yesterday but
Ito ay non-smoking flight. Ang paninigarilyo at paggamit ng
this time
electronic
we're
cigarettes
just
ay
gonna
hindi
take like some
pinahihintulutan.
footages while we're flying. I'm a little bit okay now, so I'm fine.
Welcome on board.
And welcome aboard. That's not someone flight from Calgary. Mom, have my see, dito na yung siya. Isa na to sa Dubai.
Sakit po kalipay yayungan tangluhan tumanta gayon ang atong mga saan kasakit o kalipay yayungan tangluhan.
Video na.
Sige, 1, 2. There's no place like home! Sige, una pa. Sige, bata na. Singgit dahil na. Okay. Woo! Alin. 1, 2, ready, go!
There's no
place like home!
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please don't forget to click that notification bell button so you're gonna be updated with my future Canadian life and travel vlogs. Peace out!